guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be doing the examination of the knee joint. So whenever we examine a joint, we always first look, feel and then move, right? So we'll be trying to do the examination part on the patient, and for any examination, first of all you sanitize your hands well and then ask for the consent of the patient whether we should examine or not, right? So that will Okay, so now I'll be explaining all the steps in detail, right? So we first begin with assessing and asking the patient how is he. So I'll ask my दादा कैसे हो आप?
ठीक है,
आपके पैरों में कोई दर्द है अभी?
थोड़ा थोड़ा दर्द होता है.
Okay, so we'll try to examine his knee and check. So the first thing which we do is check for any deformities in the structure of the knee, right? So I'll ask him to stand up and then I'll be inspecting from about the structures of his knees, right? So आप खड़े हो जाएंगे please. Okay, so now I'll ask my dada to just take his permission and consent for examining and seeing his knees, right? So we'll look at the knees. Okay, so this is the examination and the inspection part from the front. If you can check and see, the structure seems fine. Now I'll tell him to turn around, and you look at the joint from the back, right? So this is the first inspection part and viewing the joint from all the angles. Now I'll tell him to take a few steps to examine his gait as well. So आप प्लीज थोड़े steps चलेंगे. Okay, so this was the inspection part of the examination. Now we move on to the palpation part, wherein we check for some tenderness, any redness or inflammation of the joint. So I'll ask my Dadaji to lie down and we'll proceed with the palpation part of the knee examination. Okay, so now we try to examine the temperature of one knee joint with the another knee joint and then compare it with the shins, right? So we do it. Okay, so now after the temperature part, we move on to the tenderness to check the tenderness of the knee joint. So we'll ask the patient first of all to bend his leg a little bit. Can you Bhagwan? This one. Yeah. Then we grab the knee joint, right? And then we check for the borders of the patella and we check for tenderness and look at the patient's face side as well to see if he's having any pain anywhere. So I'll examine first the medial border of the patella. Then we see at the lateral border of the patella. Then we move on to the joint line, the medial side, and then the lateral one, right? Okay, so now we move on to the special test of the knee joint examination, wherein the first one which we have is the patella tap to check for any effusion, especially the major effusions of the knee joint. So this is how we demonstrate it. We tried first of all to make down some fluid from the thigh region, then hold it here, then with our next hands we hold it down and then just tap for the patella. If any effusion is there, the patella might seem to be floating in the knee joint, but as you can see here, it's intact and well formed and right in its place, right? So this is the patella tap which we do to check for any major effusions of the knee joint. Then we move on to the grind test. Now for the grind test, we try to melt down again some fluids if there in the knee joint. Then we hold it here and ask the patient to tense his thigh muscles. So तमें जरा pull कर सकते हो thighs? Yes. आपको कोई दर्द हुआ इसमें?
नहीं.
Okay. So the patient is saying that he did not experience any pain, which defines that he doesn't have any inflammation of the joint of the patellofemoral joint, or if there was any inflammation here, it could indicate a patellofemoral arthritis, right? So that was the grind test. Now we move on to the next. As we all know that for any examination, we always look, feel and move. So we have looked and we have felt the joint. Now it's time to move the joints for the flexion and extensions and the different movements of the joint possible. Okay, so now we tell the patient to relax and we'll be doing the McMurray's test for the medial and lateral menisci, right? So please relax and then we'll raise his leg, hold the leg and make it 90 degree here, right? 90 degrees. We keep this hand on the knee joint And then to check the medial menisci, we try to move this medially and then rotate and bring the patient down. So if there's any deformities there, we could hear the click and also look at the patient's face for any tenderness at the point of the examination. To check it once again, we do it once again. We'll raise the leg, we make it 90 degrees, we look at the patient, then now we'll do the lateral side. So we turn the leg laterally and check for any clicks and then rotate and back down. Right, so this was a test for the McMurray's test. Okay, so with this we completed our knee examination. So we thank our patient. Thank you for volunteering. And we also with this end the examination. So to just recap for what we have started, we always look, feel and move. So we have looked at the joint, we have inspected, we have palpated, we have checked for any tenderness, any swelling, any pain or any redness or heat, right? And so basically that's all for this examination of the knee joint. Thank you very much. Best wishes always.